In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow effect for thumbnails in Canva. This simple trick will make your thumbnails pop and look a lot more professional, and you can do it using only Canva's built-in tools. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so feel free to follow along in your own Canva design. First, open your design in Canva and click on the image you want to stand out in your thumbnail. This is usually a picture of a person or a main object. Make sure it's selected and you'll see the editing options appear across the top or on the side, depending on your layout. With the image selected, look for the background remover tool. Click on it to remove the background from your image. Canva will process this automatically. Wait for it to finish and check that the subject is cleanly cut out. If needed, you can refine the edges using the available options, but once it looks good, you're ready for the next part. Now, with that same image still selected, click on Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of your cutout image, right on top of the original. One image will become your main subject, and the other will be turned into the shadow. Select the duplicated image, and then click on Edit. Inside the edit options, look for an effect called Duotone, or something similar depending on your version of Canva. Click on Duotone to apply it to the duplicate. This allows you to change the colors of that copy. Next, change the colors in the duotone settings so that the duplicated image becomes a solid dark color, usually black or a dark gray. This dark version will act as your shadow. Adjust the intensity and settings until it looks solid and smooth. Once you have your dark duplicate, go to the effects section for that same duplicated image. Here, find and click on blur. This will soften the edges and make it look more like a natural shadow instead of a sharp shape. After enabling blur, change the intensity to your liking. A higher blur gives a softer, more diffused shadow, while a lower blur keeps it sharper and more defined. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts and adjust the position of the blurred duplicate behind your main image. Nudge it slightly down or to the side to create a realistic shadow effect. When it looks right to you, you're done. You've successfully created a shadow effect for your thumbnail in Canva.